Hi there, welcome to our drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw a cute baby kangaroo. So you can see that I'm using my thin black pen to draw a cute kangaroo. I'm starting with its hair. Here's its long ears. Now I'm drawing its head. Here's its eyes. It has tiny eyebrows. This is its hands. Now I'm drawing its legs. Here's its long tail. For the coloring, I'm using my brown pen. Uh-oh, that was too fast. Sorry, I couldn't show the full coloring due to some technical problems. I'm using my orange pen in its body. Little bit of pink. Now for the rest, I'm using my orange highlighter pen. I'm using my pencil a bit. Wow, it's looking really cute. My drawing is done. Thank you so much for watching.